In this video I am going to show how to draw display in DIGSI 5. So I have taken one simple SLD. For this SLD I am going to make display on the relay. First click on single line configuration. On single line configuration you can see your relay. I am going to configure on 7SJ82 relay. If you just click on relay, your relay will expand and you can able to see all hardwares and check the element which you want to configure. If the hardware is missing over here, you have to add the function block over IO masking. After that, right click on the SLD display and select the insert element from library. Once you click, your library will load. On right hand side window you can able to see library. In that overprotection template you can able to see all the element for your configuration. First I am going to take bus bar. Just selecting the element and drag and drop it over the section. You can able to get the element over the display. According to my SLD I need disconnector, air switch, breaker element. I am going to make all the component from the library. I am going to drag and drop it over the SLD. For making disconnector breaker open and close action on HMI, we have to connect with relay. First, I am going to connect with disconnector. Expand the disconnector column on the relay and you can able to see the black column on the disconnector block. When you click on black column and drag it, you can notice a dotted line will follow your mouse point. Just touch it over disconnector and click. It will make a connection with dotted line. Similarly for breaker, you have to connect. And two measuring equipment CT and VT has to take from library. This two has to add to relay. The connection with relay to the similar way. After completing the diagram, save it and upload the configuration to the device. If you think this video is useful for your friends, please share to them. Thank you for watching this video.